All right, this is a session recap for the 6th day of February. And this morning we were watching as the dollar index appears to have topped out. We only have to come out twice, and they've already done that. They put the money in twice, so they only have to come out twice. We're looking for a break of slope support here. MACD is showing you that's what they're trying to do. They just haven't been successful yet. So we're going with dollar weakness right now. All right. So dollar weakness means the euro should now go to the upside. And as you can see, it's not doing anything here. All right. Let me get rid of this to the downside and this to the upside. There we go. Sorry. They put that back on. All right. Euro dollar ATR is 69 pips. All right. So I go from the 5 o'clock candle yesterday, right there. I got a low after that. That's the low for the day. Where's the high for the day? That's the ATR every day. And you know it ahead of time. One day before it happens, you know it. 69 pip ATR up, and it should end up here by 5 o'clock tonight. There it is. We don't have 55 pips. Target is 167.90 up there. Pound dollar. Pound dollar underway, trying to go up here. We only got about 35 pips left here. The target is at 26.23, and pound dollar has an ATR of 89 pips, which is also a fib sequence number. All right. Dollar Swissy. All right. Here we go. Dollar Swissy. Now it follows the dollar index. So when the dollar was going up last night, we had it up. It's now flipping. All right. So it follows the dollar index. Once it breaks there after 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR. If the dollar breaks to the downside, currently the ATR is only 69 pips, and it'll probably be less tonight because we didn't hit target today. So look for the downside move for about probably 65 pips. All right. Going to be tough to trade it. Dollar yen. All right. Dollar yen. Let me put this up here. All right. So we tried to trade this morning, and we only got one little shot here. We may have somebody in it at the 382, but we don't have all of us in, so that's it. Our target is down here at 147.57 now. Now, tonight, it's got a big ATR, 121 pips. So if it hangs out down here, it's going 121 pips to the downside if the dollar goes down. That's 4 T30s. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 120 pips. So look for it to come down into the 147 area, right in there. From there, that's a big opportunity, folks. So watch for it in the Asian market. Aussie dollar, all right, trying to push up. We don't have enough room to trade it. It's got a low ATR. ATR on Aussie dollar is only 57 pips. That target is 65.40 up there, just above the ATR right there. Nothing to do on it. All right, euro yen, we're in this trade up 45, 50 pips right now, looking to come down here to 158.73, and euro yen has 115 pip ATR. We make that trade, we're going to walk away from about 250 pips, folks, if it goes. All right, we're already up, so we're in good shape. Same thing with pound yen. We're in this trade here, live on that one. We're looking for a target down here, 185.43. Pound yen has an ATR of 134 pips a day. New Zealand dollar, right? New Zealand dollar waiting for the breakout up. It's a low ATR, can't trade it. It's 55 pips, so 55 pips from down here. You don't have 55 pips. Target is 6,100 there. Walk away from it. Aussie yen, all right? Aussie yen, well, we needed a pullback on this breakout. We've got it now. So watch for this tonight in the Sydney and in the Asian market. Big opportunity. After 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR. Aussie yen has a 66 pip ATR. Watch for it to come down here. This is 1 T30, 2 T30s. Down in this area right here at 95.80 area, right in there. Can't trade the euro pound because the euro pound ATR is really low, only 35 pips. Euro Aussie, however, we can. It's got an ATR of 111 pips, and we're almost at target right now at 111 pips. And the target is 64.68. After 5 o'clock, you're going to get a new ATR. All right, watch for this to go down. All right, dollar's coming down. It's coming down. You're below the MACD. So watch for that 111 pips to the downside. All right. Pound, find those wide open spaces. All right. Pound Aussie, it made an effort to get to target. It's now reversing right now. We're below the zero line, so this is a pullback right now. And get that rid of this. Yeah, there we go. A pullback, and we'll watch for it to go down. Now it almost did its ATR right there. We won't trade it until we get a new ATR, but we're going to go to the downside on it tonight. All right, most likely if the dollar proves itself. Pound Aussie is 118 pip ATR. You're in New Zealand, all right, stuck inside a pennant here, as you can see. Typically, this pennant, because of this up move, goes up, but with the dollar flipping, it's following the dollar down. So our target is down here at 76.19. The ATR is at 76.30, and Euro New Zealand has an ATR of 125 pips a day. Pound New Zealand, all right. We initially started up and, it goes half the time with the dollar, half the time against it. Dollar's going down and we just got a zero line break to the upside. The target is up at 2.0802, so 2,800 basically. And Pound New Zealand has 143 pip ATR. What's the fib sequence number? 144. Gee, I wonder why they're doing 144. Notice the 144 there. This is what they do day in and day out, folks. Know your Fibonacci sequence numbers. All right. If you know them, you can extrapolate the information. All right. If you don't know them, you're gambling. All right. Over the New Zealand yen, we're 2/3 of the way to target now. We don't have enough room to trade it. We have to have 55 pips or more, or we don't trade. All right, New Zealand yen has a 58 pip ATR. That's from all the way up here. So you can see there's only 15 pips left. Target is at 89.66. We'll see how that works out. Aussie Swissy and Aussie New Zealand both have too low an ATR. Aussie Swissy's 40 and Aussie New Zealand's 45. We don't have 55 pips right now, so we can't trade them. They're great when we get them, but there we go. All right. Pound Swissy to the pip to its ATR and then rolled up and took the next target out, and they're done right now. Wait for 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR. The MACD tells you you're a buyer. Pound Swissy ATR is 60 pips. So it's tough to trade. You got to get it right at the beginning of the move. All right. If it puts a higher low in, you got to be right there. All right. There we go. All right. Anybody got any questions on that?